Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to adjust suction power on MOVA V50 Ultra. Once you click on the button in the bottom left corner, you'll see either Clean Genius, which will adjust the suction power for you. Here you can only choose whether you want to do vacuum and mop or vacuum first then mop, and you can enable deep cleaning. Besides that, it will adjust all the cleaning parameters automatically. You can also go to custom and then select a mode vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuum and then select suction power. I'll do just vacuum and then I can select quiet suction power, standard, intense or max, and I can also enable max plus. It will use more power and it will be louder, and once you enable it and run a task, it will, after cleaning, it will disable this mode automatically because it takes effect only once. And besides that, you can change the route. In mopping modes, you can also change the mopping temperature and mop wetness, and the routes can be set differently. As you can see, there are different options here. Then there's also customize, which lets you set different settings for each room. I'll leave it on vacuum, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.